But with the issues surrounding the country, with the flood control project issue, is it creating maybe a standstill or slowing down of economic growth?
That is one major headwind that needs to be monitored. And in the last monetary board meeting, the BSP actually wrote in its official statement that the risk of a slowdown in public infrastructure spending is a major headwind to growth, and therefore they decided to cut rates and basically make sure that monetary policy or private
Mhm.
investment is able to pick up the slack, or at least make up for the loss in lower public
Mhm.
infrastructure spending.
Mhm.
Now, here's the thing. Let's do explain the headwind with a little
Mhm.
bit more detail. So, what does it mean when you have slower public infrastructure spending? It's not necessarily lower, I mean, a lower budget,
Mhm.
but the fact that these projects, or at least the public infrastructure projects, these flood
Yes.
control, not only flood control, your railways, your roads, will now be subject to more public scrutiny moving forward.
Mhm.
So the risk here that needs to be managed is that you also have these well-reviewed, these honest projects that may also undergo, heightened
Mhm.
scrutiny. And I guess a lot of our policymakers may also hesitate in signing documents or signing approvals um, for these particular projects because of everything, the drama that has been put in place.